Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to back up your Bluebeam Studio Data in Revu 21. After opening Revu 21, go to the Studio panel. Here, you will find separate tabs to access studio sessions and projects at the top. Let's begin with downloading project files for a backup. Under the Projects tab, join the project you want to download and wait for it to load. Here, you will find all your folders and files under the root folder of your project. To download a copy of your project files, right-click on the folder you want to download and hit the Download option from the menu. Now select the location of your device where you want to download your project files. You can either select an existing folder or create a new one. Let's create a new folder to keep files organized. Give your folder a name to be recognized later. Then, click the Select Folder button, and your files will be downloaded to the selected location. Now close all the project tabs and go to the Studio session to see how to finish the session and save your session report and files. To back up the Studio session, you need to finish the session first. Let's join the session and finish it. Wait for the session to load. Click the session title or the arrow button alongside your session title and key. Next, hit the Finish option from the dropdown. In the Finish Session dialog box, you have multiple options to create a backup of your file and session activities. For example, you can overwrite your existing session data, save it in a separate folder, create a session subfolder, or omit the files from saving if you just want to finish the session. Let's mark the option to close files after finishing. To save session files, select the device location for an existing folder or create a new folder, giving it a unique name. Once you are done, hit the Select Folder button. If you are going to generate a report for your session activities, give it the device location where you want to save your report in PDF. Now, click OK to proceed. Wait for the session to finish, and your files will be saved to the selected device location. Here's your generated report for session activities, including timestamps for each activity. This is it for today. Don't forget to check out the things to remember and keynotes in the video description. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, digitizing construction since 2003.